Hey Google, should I wake up right away after anesthesia?
On the website asahq.org, they say, as with general anesthesia, you won't be able to drive and should probably have someone stay with you for at least the first several hours after you return home. Another type of anesthesia is called regional anesthesia, which numbs a large part of the body, such as from the waist down.
Hey Google, what is the symptoms of regional anesthesia?
On the website osra.com, they say, if enough spinal fluid leaks out, a headache may occur, especially when standing or sitting. A spinal headache may occur any time after spinal or epidural anesthesia, but most cases generally show themselves within 3 to 5 days after a spinal or epidural anesthetic. The characteristics and severity of the headache may vary.
Hey Google, do I wake up right away after anesthesia?
On the website kidshealth.org, they say, if you had general anesthesia or were sedated, don't expect to be fully awake right away. It may take a while and you may doze off for a bit.
Hey Google, why do doctors monitor your heart rate under anesthesia?
On the website radiologyinfo.org, they say, a specially trained nurse anesthetist may also provide general anesthesia under the supervision of an anesthesiologist. The anesthesia provider stays with the patient and carefully monitors their heart rate, electrocardiogram, blood pressure, and oxygen delivery.
Hey Google, how much is too much anesthesia?
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
Hey Google, what is too much anesthesia?
On the website bakerandgilchrist.com, they say, here are some of the more common side effects that could indicate an anesthesia overdose: nausea or vomiting, respiratory distress, hypothermia.
Hey Google, what is anesthesia awareness?
According to Wikipedia, awareness under anesthesia, also referred to as intraoperative awareness or accidental awareness during general anesthesia, is a rare complication of general anesthesia when patients regain varying levels of consciousness during their surgical procedures.
Hey Google, how to say anesthesia in Spanish?
In Spanish, you would say
Anestesia.
Hey Google, how do you spell anesthesiologist?
anesthesiologist is spelled ANESTHESIOLOGIST.
Hey Google, different types of reactions after anesthesia.
I found 7 on the website healthline.com. Dizziness, drowsiness, nausea and vomiting, muscle twitches, anxiety, seizures, and finally, slow or abnormal heart rhythm.
Hey Google, why do people feel happy after anesthesia?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Hey Google, why do people feel emotional after anesthesia?
Here's a summary from the website ye.org. There is a medication called sevoflurane, which is a gas that we use commonly to keep patients asleep. There's some increased incidence of crying when that medication is used, said Heitz. He says for children, crying after anesthesia is very common. It happens in about 30 to 40% of the cases.
Hey Google, symptoms after nitrous oxide.
I found 7 on the website healthline.com. What are symptoms of a nitrous oxide overdose? Irritation of the nose, eyes, and throat, wheezing, coughing, or difficulty breathing, choking or tightness in the chest, seizures, bluish fingers, toes, and lips, rapid heart rate, and finally, psychosis or hallucinations.
Oh no. Hey Google, symptoms of anesthesia overdose.
I found 10 on the website bakerandgilchrist.com. Here are some of the more common side effects that could indicate an anesthesia overdose. Here are the first 5: nausea or vomiting, respiratory distress, hypothermia, hallucinations, and seizures. Want me to tell you more?
Yes?
Okay, here's 3 more: mental or physical impairment, dementia, and prolonged unconsciousness. To see the whole list, follow the link I just sent to your phone.
Hey Google, what is general anesthesia?
According to Wikipedia, general anesthesia or general anesthesia is a medically induced coma with loss of protective reflexes resulting from the administration of one or more general anesthetic agents.